The idea that hydraulic oil is already clean is incorrect. The assumption that contamination is completely removed from the system simply by changing the oil is also incorrect. This is because a significant portion of the contamination is located within the system itself. Contamination entering the system with the oil generally consists of water or various particles and spreads throughout the entire system in a short time. Inside the hydraulic pump, particles break down. This situation increases wear on all surfaces that are protected only by a thin oil film. Softer particles crumble. Water can damage components even due to cavitation. Over time, all particles become even smaller, and for this reason, it becomes increasingly difficult to capture them with a standard system filter. The Bypassoil microfiltration installed in the bypass circuit removes harmful contaminants by filtering them out or retains them by absorbing them into its cellulose structure. For this reason, it is extremely effective in system cleaning. The oil is passed through the bypass oil filter cartridge according to the radial flow principle, from the center outward to the periphery. Solid particles smaller than 1 micron cannot pass through the cellulose fibrous structure of the cartridge. While water droplets are absorbed and trapped by the cellulose, the oil flow continues. Very fine residues that are able to pass through the filter cartridge are then retained by the safety plate at the bottom of the cartridge. Correct filtration with Bypassoil, longer service life, and lower maintenance cost.